Piers Morgan tells Amber Heard it's time to stop playing the victim after she speaks out on Verdict. The jurors didn't read any of the social media stuff. Piers Morgan has accused Amber Heard of playing the victim after claiming the social media representation of the defamation trial against Johnny Depp hasn't been fair. The 36-year-old had, in an hour-long interview with Savannah Guthrie, addressed how the trial was discussed online and insisted she doesn't blame the jury for their verdict. Now, Piers has hit at the actress, saying the jurors didn't read any of the social media stuff. They listened to the evidence and concluded she was lying. He added as he made an appearance on his show titled Uncensored, "I suggest it's time for Ms. Heard to stop playing the victim." Earlier, the host had described the verdict as a complete slam dunk victory for Depp and a wipeout for Amber Heard. At the time, he explained it was a complete vindication for the Edward Scissorhands actor and remarked, "It's hard to imagine a bigger humiliation for Amber Heard. It's a complete disaster and failure." The broadcaster also said he doesn't believe Heard will get any work after this, although he questioned if the vicious reaction to Heard is ever a good thing. After the verdict, Heard shared she was heartbroken and described Depp's win as a setback for women. Depp claimed he was humbled and thanked the jury in his statement shared on Instagram. When the Aquaman star sat with Guthrie, she expressed, "Even somebody who is sure I am deserving of all this hate and vitriol, even if you think I'm lying, you still couldn't look me in the eye and tell me that you think on social media there's been a fair representation." Heard then insisted, "You cannot tell me that you think this has been fair." Elsewhere in the interview, she uttered, "I don't blame them, the jury. I actually understand. He's a beloved character, and people feel they know him. He's a fantastic actor." However, a spokesperson for Heard had in a statement after her interview that Depp's legal team blanketed the media after the verdict with statements and interviews on TV, and that Depp himself did the same thing with social media. The statement continued, "Ms. Heard simply intended to respond to what they aggressively did last week. She did so by expressing her thoughts and feelings, much of which she was not allowed to do on the witness stand." Meanwhile, the Pirates of the Caribbean actor was awarded $15 million in compensatory and punitive damages after a jury found Heard did defame him in a 2018 article she wrote about being a domestic abuse survivor. Heard was also awarded $2 million in compensatory damages, and in all, Depp officially walked away with a total of $8.35 million.